the Assam Public Works, an NGO based on whose petition in 2009 the Supreme Court had directed for updating the NRC, has filed another FIR against former state NRC coordinator Pratik Hajela, making some sensational allegations. APW Chief Abhijit Sharma alleged large-scale manipulation in family tree to include names of foreigners in the NRC list. The APW has lodged a complaint against Hajela with the State Police CID. However, the APW's latest complaint, the 10th FIR to be precise, accuses Hajela of gross anomaly in the process of aggregating the register. APW Chief Abhijit Sharma stated in the FIR that the former NRC coordinator had deliberately manipulated the NRC list in collaboration with data entry operators and state government officials of immigrant background. In fact, the APW chief alleged that some minority leaders of immigrant background also backed Hajela. And while speaking exclusively to Northeast Live, Sharma alleged that 40% illegal migrants made the cut in the NRC.
This is our 10th FIR against Hajela. We are planning to file at least 22 numbers of FIRs against Hajela and the NRC for a new fresh NRC. Now the question is that the previous state coordinator, Mr. Hajela, some of the immigrant background data entry operators, some state government immigrant background officials, some minority leaders, they have manipulated the whole process, and around 40% illegal immigrants' names entered in the NRC. And actually it is a threat to the nation, it is an anti-national activities. So we have filed our case in CID, and we hope CID will take action in it. The whole mischief was done in the family tree verification.
Well, Sharma also called for a fresh NRC process in the border districts to ensure the anomaly can be corrected.
See, from the very beginning we are saying that we are demanding for 100% re-verification. We are not saying that to prepare a new NRC. And the easiest way, we have a method that all indigenous people's name, whether he is a Hindu or a Muslim, not to touch their names. Those peoples from rest of part of the country who are staying here in Assam, not to touch their names. Sarma, Kalita, Rava, Boro, Missing, Ali, Rahman, all indigenous peoples, not to touch their name. The rest part, to do the verification on that people. Now we are not saying that do the verification for whole of Assam. We are giving some districts, Kokrajhar, Bongaigaon, Dhubri, Borpeta, Gwalpara, Nalbari, Kamrup Metro, Kamrup Rural, Darang, Sonitpur, Lakhimpur, Nagaon, Marigaon, Hojai, Karimganj, Hailakandi, Silchar, Kachar. These are the districts we are saying for a re-verification. Now government is saying that 10% and 20%. Already state coordinator Mr. Hitesh Dev Sharma have filed the IA, and it is proved that there is a 40% error in this NRC. So now wastage of time for 10 and 20%, let's go for a 100% re-verification in the mentioned districts. All evidence are given in the Supreme Court. The present state coordinator Mr. Hitesh Dev Sharma, with proved he have filed an IA in Supreme Court. With oath, with taking oath, he have filed the IA in Supreme Court, and that IA is the evidence.